Well, I'll start by saying that I was extremely hesitant to sign up with LegalMatch. I was a brand new business at the time that I signed up. My business was only 2 months old, and I was hesitant about taking on the financial obligation and whether I would be able to pay even just the fees to LegalMatch. Well, it's been about 8 months now, and I am typically seeing between 5 and 6 times the return that I am paying LegalMatch. So, I mean, it's been fantastic, and I'm so happy that I made the decision to sign up with LegalMatch and work with LegalMatch because my business has just exploded. Well, apart from the fact that I've been so busy that I don't even currently have a website. So the amount of business that I brought in just literally exclusively from LegalMatch has kept me so busy that I haven't had time to do much of anything else besides crank out work and bring in money. So I don't recommend not having a website. I'm actually working on it. But at the end of the day, I've been so busy that I didn't even need one. Well, LegalMatch has basically made it possible for me to do business during the pandemic, because otherwise, without LegalMatch, I would not have been able to find enough business and to source enough clients to pay the bills. So during this COVID pandemic, it's absolutely been crucial to the success of my business. Well, in terms of features, I like the fact that LegalMatch really vets the prospective clients and does a good job and a comprehensive job of vetting the clients. This way, when I look at my profile and I'm examining a possible prospective client, I have plenty of information to base my decision on and whether it makes sense to pursue that or not. In terms of support, I can't say enough good things about my account manager, Melissa Erickson. She's been absolutely fantastic and made the transition period into working with LegalMatch so very easy and just user friendly, so that any questions, anything that I had, I would talk to her and she had all the answers. For the most part, every day. Sometimes if on a weekend or a holiday, maybe nothing comes through, but once in a blue moon, it's a weekday that I don't get one. But for the most part, I would say 27 or 28 out of 30 days. To come up with an exact figure, I'd have to go back and look, but I would say I'm probably converting probably about 7 or 8% of the leads. And that is turning into, as I mentioned before, roughly 5 or 6 times the investment. Unfortunately, I don't. I have not worked with any other lead generation systems. I was fortunate enough to locate and identify LegalMatch, and I really spent a lot of time working with my sales rep prior to signing up. As I mentioned, I was hesitant, but so far I can safely say it's the best decision I made for my business. Well, I am routinely the first one to respond, the first attorney to respond. Part of that is, I guess I'm kind of connecting the dots on that. But after talking to so many people and given my sign-up rate and the amount of business that I've been able to pull out of LegalMatch, my recommendation is call first. If you go back, if you look at my profile, you'll see that 90 or 95% of the leads that come through, I am responding within less than 5 minutes. And I'm calling people too. I don't just respond, I call them and I call them and I call them until basically I get a no thank you, we don't want to work with you, or no thank you, we're working with somebody else. And that's when I basically concede that the business is going elsewhere. I would recommend it highly. And as I said, I would make sure that you're calling, you're responding to those possible clients within less than 5 minutes. You got to have the LegalMatch site open, and you got to set up the notifications for your phone. And whether you're out or in the office, or you got to make sure that you're the one responding and you're responding quickly. If you do that, you will be successful. Well, for me, I don't do any other marketing besides I do some sort of networking, in other words, with a networking group. But apart from that, I don't do any paid marketing at all. And as I've shared with you, I don't even have a website. So right now, clients cannot find my phone number, my email address, my address, anything online. So basically, all of my business is coming from LegalMatch, and the way that I'm working LegalMatch and responding quickly and making phone calls has been tremendously successful. So just follow the plan and you will be successful.